All right, so the question was, how do we make a quiz in Google Forms? An easy one for me to grade, but not an easy one for them to cheat on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to New, and remember there's Docs, Sheets, and Slides. I'm going to go over more to Google Forms. I'm going to fly out to where it's from a template. Now that I'm in my personal account, I'm going to click on From a Template, and it's going to make me an option where I'm going to choose either a blank quiz, an exit ticket, right? There's a few more educational ones in here, if I go underneath, that I could choose. But the one, there they are right there, see? Blank quiz, assessment, worksheet. I'm going to go to blank quiz. It's easier to make your own blank quiz. Now I'm going to make this very simplistic. I'm going to do like the solar system, okay? So here's what we're going to do. I'm only going to make about a 4-minute video in here. Now where it says blank quiz, I'm going to call it solar system quiz. Okay? And when I click on blank quiz, I got to go in there and name it again up here.
All right, so you went under Google Docs, and then you did
fourth option, not Docs. Remember it was underneath there where it said new.
Okay, I see it.
Mm-hmm. Yep, see, it's right here, and it runs all the way over to there. That's it. Yeah. So now I'm in my solar system quiz. Now, no one tells you this anywhere, but the first thing you do is you need to anchor this so that you can see it, kind of like my spreadsheet here. When I did this spreadsheet, and over here I had last name, first name, I need that same anchor on mine. So I'm going to call this last name, comma, first name. That's what your students need to do. And it needs to be their real name. Like I go by Buddy, but my real name is Roland. And it's Roland, right? So they need to put in their real name here. Okay? So I'm going to make it required. And now I'm going to go next. Here I could put down, if I give the same test to 4 groups, I would make this where I can separate it now by classes. So I could do this, class. And let's say that this is block 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Notice what it did when I did this. It made it multiple choice. There's only one correct answer here because it's going to be whatever class they're in. Okay? So do you like that? It just automatically did it for me. So now from here, I got the name and the class. And now the third thing I want is I'm going to start putting questions in here. So check it out. First question is going to be, which planet is the closest to the sun? Now it says multiple choice, so I'm going to do a straight question. Now check it out. I got these 4 questions here, or these 4 stems to my question, right? I need to now make one of these the answer. So you see where it says answer key in the blue? I click on answer key, and I choose the correct answer, and then I choose the point value. If 5 points is okay, I'll leave it on 5. And then I go back to edit question. That's it. So when I shoved that at you all a while ago, if I had given you a question, if they got it wrong, they wouldn't have got the point. Now, what else I could do is this. Next question. Blank is the star of our solar system. All right. It's not multiple choice this time. It's going to be a short answer, fill in the blank. And they got to put the right thing in here. That'd be the sun, right? So blank is the star of our solar system. So I'm going to go to my answer key, and look, it says, what are the correct answers? Sun and capital Sun. I can give them all the variations. If I put blank is the leader of the civil rights movement, I would have to accommodate for every version that they could put MLK, Dr. King, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Dr. Martin Luther King. If I put every combination in, they'd get the points. If not, it would count it wrong. But you see how this is now a fill in the blank quiz? Next question. I like this. Which planet is Jupiter. I have a question, but now in the answer stem, I can put something visual. You see where it says add an image? I can put 4 pictures of different planets and they have to choose Jupiter. So when I click now into the picture, you see where it says search? I need to search for a picture of Jupiter. Search. There's my picture of Jupiter. Add it. Now when they make it too big, oh, that's perfect. Now I need another one. Now I'm going to go down underneath it. Now you see where it says option A? I might call that A. And then my next one is B. And then I'm going to put in a picture this time of Mars. Search. Mars. I want the similar picture. There we go. See what it's doing? I'm going to do one more. Oh, I could have done Saturn. Yeah, let's do the one with the rings. If you're happy and you like it, got to put a ring on it. Oh. There we go. Look at it. Now, so I've got 3 right here. So now I got to go to the answer key and choose the correct answer. It makes it green, right? And then back to edit question. So I've got 3 questions in here. The one that I like a lot is this question. This is the one to mess with them. If they start cheating a lot, and if you start giving them more tests like this, if you have an exam view based quiz, stop using those when you give them out as tests because they can find the answers in 8 seconds. By Googling it or going to Quizlet.
Like what kind of quiz?
An exam view quiz, it comes with most Prentice Hall books. Most of those are just out the window. They can cheat on them faster than you can catch them.
Well, ours have a problem with that.
Give them a year.
They fail.
Oh, they do, and if they start doing really good, you know they've caught on. They will catch on soon. You'll be proud of them.
I'm really proud of them, 'cause I don't have to test every freaking time.
And that's what we are here. Here- Oh, they will. Yeah, they need to take them up. I'm a tech guy, but phones, because you don't have access to devices, but the schools that have access to devices now, they're about to shut them bad boys off. They said, you got enough technology in the schools now where you don't need your stuff. Well, my baby needs it. No, you're fine. Go to the office. If there's an appendage falling off of you or if you're losing your lunch.
Or if your mother needs you, she'll call the office. Well, they give you free Wi-Fi, so.
Of course, with Saturday too, I call the school because usually I get voicemail and I'll call back. I said, "Med takes on."
I'll take a look at this. Which of the following planets would be considered inner planets? If they don't get them all right, it doesn't count. That's hard and mean, but math teachers are in here going, that's what we do. I'm not giving you partial. If it's not the circled answer at the end, you're done. So you see what this one was? That is a hard Google question to find. If you rewrite your questions to where they actually have to connect a couple answers to make the right answer, they're not going to cheat on that. That's what we found out over the last 2 years, is making this multiple correct answers to be right. And I got teachers saying, well, I'm not giving you partial. You don't know it, you don't know it. And the math teachers are sitting here going, if you mess up step 4 and you get it wrong, pretty much I'm not giving you credit. Why are we giving them partial in these other places? So it's a debate in terms of assessments, but I do like the quiz. Are y'all digging? That's a 20-point quiz right there. I'm going to stop.